Career and technical education in West Virginia provides life-changing opportunities for students throughout the state. Not only are these services offered to high school students, but now middle school students can begin exploring their future careers as well. Take, for example, the Drone Boyz of Hamlin, West Virginia. This trio of middle school students have found their passion in coding, programming, and piloting drones in national competitions. But this dedicated group of students doesn't just compete, they win. In fact, the Drone Boyz have taken home the Excellence Award, which is the Aerial Drone Championship's highest honor, 2 consecutive years.
I mean, winning it once was awesome, and then the second time was like, this is a dream. Somebody pinched me.
And not only are these ambitious middle school students having fun, but they're also getting prepared for their future careers.
So my plans after high school is hopefully go to college and get an engineering degree inside aerospace engineering. And I hopefully want to go to NASA and work on the next Mars rover. And I think that this will really help me because it teaches me like engineering, programming, and it also teaches me physics and stuff that I would really need inside of that field.
So if you're like the Drone Boyz and you want to find new ways to turn your passion into a rewarding career, visit our website at careertechwv.com to get started.